Do you ever look in the mirror and feel like your face is aging faster than other parts of your body? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to talk about the causes of wrinkles and sagging on your face, and how to combat them. So, sit back and get ready to learn how to make your face look younger. Did you know that the biggest reason for wrinkles is the loss of moisture in skin cells? Imagine an apple that loses its moisture and becomes wrinkled on the surface over time. The principle is the same with our skin cells. We can combat this by eating ingredients that are highly moisturizing, like collagen. Collagen not only moisturizes but also acts as a cement for your skin, making it elastic and supportive. But don't be fooled by marketing gimmicks. There's no guarantee that high molecular or animal collagen is better than low molecular or fish collagen. The key is to choose a product that can be absorbed well and synthesized into collagen in your liver. Another important factor in maintaining youthful skin is muscle elasticity. The muscles on your face are much less frequently used and stimulated than those on other parts of your body, so they lose elasticity faster. That's why we need to maintain facial muscles through protein intake, like the essential protein found in spirulina. Spirulina is a type of blue-green algae that is packed with nutrients. It is considered a superfood because it contains all essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. Spirulina is also rich in vitamins and minerals, including iron, calcium, and magnesium. It is a great source of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are important for brain health and reducing inflammation in the body. Spirulina has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help protect the skin from damage and promote overall health. In addition to collagen and protein, there are other ingredients that increase moisturizing effects, like hyaluronic acid and elastin. Hyaluronic acid is 1,000 times more moisturizing than our body and is found in joints, hair, and skin. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance in the body that helps keep the skin hydrated and plump. It is a glycosaminoglycan, which means it is a type of sugar molecule that is found in connective tissue throughout the body. Hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, making it an excellent moisturizer for the skin. It also helps to keep the skin firm and elastic by stimulating the production of collagen. Elastin and vitamin E are also great for the skin. Elastin is a protein that is found in the connective tissue of the skin and other organs. It is responsible for providing elasticity and resilience to the skin, allowing it to snap back into place after being stretched or compressed. Elastin production decreases as we age, which can lead to sagging and wrinkling of the skin. Eating foods that are high in elastin, such as lean meats, eggs, and beans, can help promote the production of this important protein. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin that acts as an antioxidant in the body. It helps to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging. Vitamin E also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce redness and inflammation in the skin. Foods that are high in vitamin E include nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and vegetable oils. And did you know that hormones play a crucial role in maintaining wrinkle-free and elastic skin? It's important to take care of your female hormones, especially during menopause, when a sudden decrease can cause skin changes. So, wrinkles and sagging on your face may be a phenomenon, but it's not something that can't be combated. By eating ingredients that are highly moisturizing, maintaining facial muscles through protein intake, and taking care of your female hormones, you can make your face look younger. Don't let wrinkles and sagging bring you down. Take control of your skin and feel confident in your own skin. Thanks for watching.